students, welcome to AJ Akshar Academy YouTube channel. In this session, I am going to discuss thermal properties of matter, thermometry part 2. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe to our channel. Please share your valuable comments in the comment section. Okay, let us go to the today's topic. Thermal properties of matter, thermometry part 2. Go to the first one. The upper and lower fixed points of a faulty mercury thermometer are 210 Fahrenheit and 34 Fahrenheit respectively. The correct temperature read by this thermometer is, here in this question they given upper and lower fixed points of a faulty mercury thermometers. One is 210 Fahrenheit and other is 34 Fahrenheit. We had to calculate correct temperature read by this thermometer. Here they given in the four options. First one is 22 Fahrenheit, second one is 80 Fahrenheit and third one is 100 Fahrenheit and last one is 122 Fahrenheit. Let us go to the solution. Given U is equals to 210 Fahrenheit and L is equals to lower fixed point L is equals to 34 Fahrenheit. F is equals to, we have to calculate F minus L by U minus L is equals to F minus 32 by 180. So here substituting the values, F minus L they given as 34 and U they given as 210 minus 34 is equals to F minus 32 by 180. Next, F minus 32 by F minus, here they given L as 34, F minus 34 by 210 minus 34, 176, that is equals to F minus 32 by 180. Here we are cancelling 2 8 16, 2 8 16, 2 9s are 18, 0, 2 44s are 2 45s are 90. So now we are taking cross multiplication, then we get 45 into F minus 34 is equals to 44 into F minus 32. So here 45 into F, 45F minus 45 into 34 is equals to 44 into F, 44F, 44 into 32. 45F minus 45 into 34 becomes 1530. 44F minus 44 into 32 becomes 1408. Here this 44F can be written as 45F minus 44F is equals to minus 1408. This minus becomes plus 1530. So that is equals to 45F minus 44F, F is equals to 122 degrees. So therefore correct temperature is equals to, the final answer is correct temperature is equals to 122 Fahrenheit. Okay. Next we will go to the next question. A Fahrenheit thermometer registers 110 Fahrenheit while a faulty Celsius thermometer registers 44 centigrade. Find the error in the latter. Here you have to find out the error. Here they given four options. First one is 0.37 degrees, second one is 0.87 degrees, third one is 0.67 degrees, and the last one is 0.48 degrees. Okay, let us go to the solution. Given Fahrenheit thermometer registers 110 degrees Fahrenheit. Now, the relation between Celsius and Fahrenheit is C by 5 is equals to F minus 32 by 9. Taking cross multiplication, 9C is equals to 5 of F minus 32. So 9C is equals to, in the place of F, writing 110, they given as F as 110. So 9C is equals to 110 minus 32, 78. So C is equals to 5 by 9 of 78. 5 by 9 into 78. C is equals to 5 by 9 into 78. 9 ones are 9, 9 8 is 72, 9 6 is 54, 8.66. That is equal to 5 into 8.66. So C is equals to, we are getting 43.3 degrees. Here they given as the thermometer registers 44 degrees. So error is equals to 44 minus 43.3. So it gives 0.666. So approximately we are writing 0.67 degrees. So the correct here, error in the latter is equals to 0.67 degrees. So third option is correct. Okay. Next we will go to the next question. On a hypothetical scale x, the ice point is 40 degrees and the stream point is 120 degrees. For another scale y, the ice point and stream points are minus 30 degrees and 130 degrees respectively. If x reads 50 degrees, what is the reading of y? Here we have to calculate reading of y. Okay, here they given in the four options. First one is minus 5 degrees, second one is minus 8 degrees, third one is minus 10 degrees, and fourth one is minus 12 degrees. Okay, let us go to the solution. Here they given two scales, one is x and other one is y. Here we are assuming that in the scale x, ice points are L1 and U1. Ice point and stream points, L1 is equals to, they given as 40 degrees and U1 is equals to, they given as 120 degrees. And on scale y, L2 they given as minus 30 degrees and stream point U2 they given as 130 degrees. Here x reads 50 degrees. So here they given as 50 degrees. X minus L1 by U minus L1 is equals to y minus L2 by U minus L2. So now substituting the values, then we get the place of x 50 minus 40 by 120 minus 40, that is equals to y minus of minus plus 30 by 130 minus of minus plus 30. 50 minus 40, 10 by 120 minus 40, 80, that is equals to y plus 30 by 130 plus 30, 160. 0 0 gets cancels, 8 ones, 8 twos. So y plus 30 is equals to, taking cross multiplication, 10 twos are 20. So y is equals to 20 minus 30 degrees. So y is equals to, we are getting minus 10 degrees. So therefore y is equals to minus 10 degrees. Y reads minus 10 degrees. Okay. Next we will go to the next question. A Fahrenheit thermometer registers 107 degrees while a faulty Celsius thermometer registers 42 degrees. Find the error in the latter. Here we have to calculate find the error. Here they given in the four options. First one is 0.4 degrees, second one is 0.72 degrees, and the third one is 1.2 degrees, and here this is the fourth option. Fourth option is 7.2 degrees. Okay, let us go to the solution. Here they given Fahrenheit thermometer registers 107 degrees. So here given F is equals to 107 degree Fahrenheit. The relation between Celsius and Fahrenheit is C by 5 is equals to F minus 32 by 9. C by 5 is equals to, substituting in the place of F, 107 minus 32 by 9. 107 minus 32, that is equals to 75. 75 by 9. Now taking cross multiplication, 9 into C, 9C is equals to 75 into 5. So C is equals to 75 into 5 by 9. 75 into 5, 375 by 9. It gives 41.6 degrees. Here Celsius thermometer registers 42 degrees. They given as 42 degrees. So 42 degrees centigrade minus 41.6 degrees centigrade. Here we are getting the error 0.4 degree centigrade. So this is the error in this thermometer. So the final answer is 0.4 degree centigrade. So first one is correct. First option is correct. Okay, next we will go to the next question. 16th one. The higher and lower fixed points on a thermometer are separated by 150 mm. When the length of mercury thread above the lower temperature is 30 millimeter, the temperature reading would be, here we have to calculate the temperature. They given in the four options. First one is 20 degrees centigrade, second one is 30 degrees centigrade, third one is 10 degrees centigrade, and fourth one is 0 degree centigrade. Let us go to the solution. Here they given as U minus L is equals to 150 millimeter. U minus L is equals to 150 millimeter, and X minus L they given as 30 millimeter. So X minus L by U minus L is equals to C by 100. Substituting values in this, X minus L is equals to 30, U minus L is equals to 150, that is equals to C by 100. Here 0 0 gets cancels, 5 3s are 5 2s are, and again 3 1s are 3 10s are. So by cross multiplication here, C into 1 C, that is equals to 10 2s are 20 degrees centigrade. So the temperature reading is, therefore the final answer C is equals to 20 degrees centigrade. This is the first option is the correct option. Okay, next we will go to the next question. A centigrade and a Fahrenheit thermometer are dipped in a boiling water. The water temperature is lowered until the Fahrenheit thermometer registers 176 degree Fahrenheit. What is the fall in temperature as registered by the centigrade thermometer? Okay, here they given four options: 20 degree centigrade, 40 degree centigrade, and 60 degree centigrade, and last one is 80 degree centigrade. Here we have to calculate what is the fall in temperature by the centigrade thermometer. Here they given as Fahrenheit thermometer registers 176 degree Fahrenheit. Okay, let us go to the solution. Here C1 is equals to 100 degree centigrade, and now the relation between Celsius and Fahrenheit is, for our convenience we are writing this is C2. C2 by 5 is equals to F minus 32 by 9. F they given as 176 degree Fahrenheit. So now substituting in the place of F 176 degree Fahrenheit minus 32 by 9. So C2 by 5 is equals to 176 minus 32, 144 by 9. C2 is equals to, here 9 ones 9 16 144. So C2 is equals to, by taking cross multiplication, 16 5s are 80 degrees. Here C1 is equals to 100 degree centigrade and C2 is equals to 80 degree centigrade. So C1 minus C2 is equals to, fall in temperature by the centigrade thermometer is 100 minus 80. So that is equals to 20 degree centigrade. So fall in temperature C1 minus C2 is equals to 20 degree centigrade. This is the final answer. Okay, first option is correct. Next we will go to the next one. Let's go to the next question. The steam point and the ice point of a mercury thermometer are wrongly marked as 92 degree centigrade and 2 degree centigrade respectively. The correct temperature read by this thermometer is, here we have to calculate correct temperature by this thermometer. Here the given steam point and ice point are 92 degree centigrade and 2 degree centigrade. So let us go to the solution. Here the given U is equals to 92 degree centigrade and L is equals to 2 degree centigrade. X minus L by U minus L is equals to C by 100. Here correct temperature measured in, we have to measure in terms of centigrade. So C minus L by U minus L is equals to C by 100. Substituting L and U values in this, we get C minus 2 by 92 minus 2 is equals to C by 100. C minus 2 by 92 minus 2, 90 is equals to C by 100. 0 0 gets cancels, and 10 into, now we are doing cross multiplication, 10C minus 20 is equals to 9C. So 10C minus 9C is equals to 20. So at last we are getting C is equals to 20 degrees. So the correct temperature measured by this thermometer is 20 degree centigrade. Therefore the final answer is, correct temperature is C is equals to 20 degree centigrade. This is the final answer. Okay, next we will go to the next question. A Fahrenheit thermometer reads 113 degree Fahrenheit while a faulty Celsius thermometer reads 44 degrees Celsius. The correction to be applied to the Celsius thermometer is, here they given the four options. First one is minus 1 degree centigrade, second one is plus 1 degree centigrade, and the third one is plus 2 degree centigrade, and the fourth one is minus 2 degree centigrade. Okay, let us go to the solution. Here they given as F is equals to, Fahrenheit thermometer reads 113 degree Fahrenheit. The relation between Fahrenheit and Celsius is F minus 32 by 9 is equals to C by 5. Substituting in the place of F 113, minus 32 by 9 is equals to C by 5. 113 minus 32 it becomes 81. 81 by 9 is equals to C by 5. 9 ones 9, 9 nines are 81. So C is equals 9 by 1 is equals to C by 5. Taking cross multiplication, C is equals to 9 5s are 45 degrees. So correct 45 degrees. Here a faulty Celsius thermometer reads they given as 44 degrees. So 45 minus 44 it gives plus 1 degree centigrade. So the correction to be applied to the Celsius thermometer is plus 1 degree centigrade. So which option is correct? Second option is correct. So therefore correction is equals to plus 1 degree centigrade. This is the final answer. Okay, this is the final answer. Plus 1 degree centigrade. Plus 1 degree centigrade. Okay, next we will go to the next. Let us go to the next question. Express 0 Kelvin on Fahrenheit scale. Here they given the four options. First one is minus 459.67 degree Fahrenheit and 240.6 degree Fahrenheit and minus 320 degree Fahrenheit, and the last one is 373 degree Fahrenheit. Now let us go to the solution. Here they given Kelvin K is equals to 0 degree Kelvin. So the relation between Fahrenheit and Kelvin is, here we are converting Kelvin to Fahrenheit. F minus 32 by 180 is equals to K minus 273 by 100. Now 0 0 gets cancels, 2 nines are 2 5s are. So F minus 32 by 9 is equals to, in the place of K they given as 0. 0 minus 273 by 5. So F minus 32 by 9 is equals to minus 273 by 5. Now taking cross multiplication, 5 into F minus 32 is equals to minus 273 into 9. So here 5F minus 32 into 5, 160. That is equals to 273 into 9, it becomes 2457. So 5F is equals to minus 2457 minus 160 becomes plus 160. So 5F is equals to minus 2297. So F is equals to minus 2297 by 5. So F is equals to, we are getting minus 459.4 degrees. So 0 degree Kelvin is equals to minus 459.4 degree Fahrenheit. So therefore the final answer 0 Kelvin is equals to minus 459.4 degree Fahrenheit. Okay, next we will go to the next question. When a thermometer is taken from the melting ice to a warm liquid, the mercury level rises to 2 by 5 of the distance between the lower and the upper fixed points. The temperature of the liquid in Kelvin is, here we have to calculate the temperature of the liquid. Here they given as thermometer is taken from the melting ice to a warm liquid, the mercury level rises to 2 by 5 of the distance between the lower and upper fixed point. Okay, now let us go to the solution. Here they given as x minus L is equals to 2 by 5 of U minus L. So x minus L by U minus L is equals to, K minus 273 by 100. In the place of x minus L, they given as 2 by 5 of u minus L by u minus L is equals to K minus 273 by 100. U minus L gets cancels. 2 by 5 is equals to K minus, here you can write as 273.15. So, K minus 273.15 by 100. Next, here 2 by 5 is equals to K minus 273.15 by 100. Now 5 ones are 5 twos are 10, 0. So K minus 273.5 is equals to 22s are 40. So K is equals to minus becomes plus. So 273.5 plus 40. So that is equals to 313.5. Okay. This is the final answer. Therefore, K is equals to 313.5 kelvins. This is the final answer. Okay. Next we will go to the next one. The resistance of a platinum resistance thermometer is found to be 11,000 ohms when dipped in a triple point cell. When it is dipped in a bath, the resistance is found to be 28,887 ohms. What is the temperature of bath in centigrade on platinum scale? Now we have to calculate temperature of the bath in the centigrade on platinum scale. Okay, let us go to the solution. Here triple point of water is equals to 273.16. Here triple point in terms of Kelvin, that is equals to 273.16 into R by RTR into K. So that is equals to 273.16 into, here they given as resistance 28,887 by, here they given as the resistance of a platinum resistance, the thermometer is found to be 11,000. So that is equals to 273.16 into 2.626. So next, that is equals to 717.32 minus 273.15. Here we are getting 273.16 into 2.626, we are getting 717.32. Now we are converting in terms of Celsius, that is equals to K is equals to, here 7 point, K value 717.32. Now we are getting in terms of centigrade, we have to subtract 273.15. Since C is equals to K minus 273, K is equals to 2C plus 273. Here in terms of centigrade, we are getting Kelvin temperature is 717.32. So now we are subtracting in this 273.15. So we are getting Tk in terms of centigrade 444.17 degree centigrade. This is the final answer in terms of centigrade. Okay, 444.17 degree Celsius. Okay, thanks for watching this video.